To add a quiz or a survey to your website, locate the Quiz Survey widget and drag and drop it onto the web page. Inside of the Form Fields window, the preset steps of the quiz will be displayed. When a website visitor clicks Continue on the first step, they will then be directed to the second step of the quiz. To add more steps to the quiz, click on the Add New Step button. In the Add New Step window, type a name for the new step. And then click Submit. The new step will then be added to the quiz. To change the position of the quiz steps, hold down the 6 dots next to the step and drag and drop the step into the new position. To delete a step, click on the dustbin icon. And then click on Yes. The step will then be deleted from the quiz. Inside each step of the quiz, there will be different fields for your website visitor to select from while completing the quiz. To edit the fields for each step, click on the Edit Fields button. A list of pre-selected single-choice fields will be displayed. With a single-choice field, only one answer can be selected at a time. To add a multi-choice field, where more than one answer can be selected, click on the Add Field button. Under Common Fields, select Multi-Choice Field. The multi-choice field will now be added to the step inside of the Form Fields window. To delete all the fields, click on the dustbin icon on the large block on top of all the fields. And then click on Yes. To delete single fields, click on the dustbin icon next to the field and then click on Yes. The selected field will then be deleted. To change the name or answer of each field, select the text on the field and type in the new quiz answer. To change the settings of each field, click on the settings icon next to the field. In the Resize Container window, you will be able to change the image of the quiz field. Under Option Description, you will be able to add a description of the field for the person filling in the quiz if they would require more information about the option or answer. If you would like the person filling in the quiz to skip to another step of the quiz, if they select the specific answer, select Skip to another step if this option is selected. Under Go to Page, click the drop-down menu and select the step you wish them to be directed to if the option is selected. To change the step heading and description, click on the Change button next to Step Heading and Description. In the Step Settings window, under Step Heading, type in a new name for the step. Under Step Description, add a description for the step. To change the style of the heading, click on the Style button. In the Heading and Description window, you will be able to change the alignment of the heading, the font, the color, and the step heading size. Next to each form field, you will be able to add a score system, which will calculate the quiz results. To add score points to each answer of the quiz, click the plus and minus tabs and choose the amount of points you wish to add to each answer that is selected. Click the back arrow to the Form Fields window. Next to Manage Quiz Results, click on the Settings button. In the Manage Quiz Results window, you will be able to select what happens after the person completes and submits the quiz or survey. Click on Page Redirect. At the bottom of the window, add the amount of points the person would require from the quiz to be redirected to another page on your website. Click on the black Select Page button to link the page that the person will be directed to after the quiz. Then click Select. To add another rule for a different amount of points, click on the Add Rule button. In the New Rule section, fill in the next amount of points and then add another web page for the person to be directed to. If you would prefer to add a thank you message instead of a redirect page option once the quiz is completed, click on Thank You Message. At the bottom of the window, add the quiz point amounts and click on the empty block next to it. In the Edit the Thank You Message window, type a title and a thank you message. Here you can also add a call to action button. Once the quiz has been created and edited, click on Save. Then go to the live version of your website. Once the live version of your quiz is displayed, you will be able to test all the answers and steps.